Now, the skincare industry is growing continuously, and one woman is trying to secure a slice of the near 200 billion US dollar market. Her company is the focus of this week's edition of the Business Review. Here's Cody and Barrett.
The skincare industry is one of the most lucrative in the world. According to Fortune Business Insights, the sector could be worth almost 200 billion US dollars by 2028. The reason? The skin, the largest organ on the body, is affected by various issues. And so, helping others to overcome those issues was the reason founder of Live Simple Skincare, Shelly and Dunkley, initially went into the business.
I actually struggle with eczema and dry skin, and because of that, I wanted to create products that are nature-based and naturally derived and find, solutions to my skincare issues.
There were a lot of job cuts in 2020 due to the pandemic, and Miss Dunkley was among those affected. But with skincare production having low startup cost and fast-growing margins, she used her savings to start the business. All from her kitchen, she created body oils, butters, and soaps targeting eczema and psoriasis, and it took little convincing for retailers to swoop up the products.
I just made calls. I just reached out to people. Surprisingly, everybody was fairly receptive around wanting the products in their stores. And I think there's a lot of support for artisans like myself, small businesses like myself.
Although Live Simple is 2 years old, Ms. Dunkley says it's still in its research and testing phases to develop more products for different skin conditions. Nevertheless, she is seeing results.
And I actually have some parents that reach out to me because they say they have tried from every product from prescription to other ingredients to help their child with eczema, and the body butters help.
Currently, the company's biggest earnings come from body butters, but it is anticipated that Live Simple's overall sales will grow by 50% this year. Additionally, Live Simple appealed to consumers who wanted more than just a skincare product.
So the ethos behind the brand does drive some people because recycling in Jamaica is, limited. And because of that, I also thought about what would persons do with the packaging once they have to throw it away. So my packaging is mostly, recyclable or reusable.
As for her other plans,
I want to make Live Simple Jamaica's leading manufacturer in terms of natural or naturally derived ingredients and products. Candles are just the start of the home line. I do want to see if I can get into other products around the home, around, any other ingredients or any other products as well,
including products for men and babies. With a Business Review, I'm Cody Ann Barrett.